Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. I wanted to share with you these Christmas cards that I made. My mom asked me to make her some Christmas cards so she can send them out. And of course I'm making some for myself and I thought I would share with you. Now I'm no card maker by any means, so please be nice. These are stickers that I bought from Dollarama, and all I did was just put it on a base card that I had already had, and I just put some hand stitching with a pen just around the edge. It's kind of plain. I should have had something in the background, but you live and you learn and you figure things out as you grow and go. So that I made that one, so that's cute. Then I made this one. It's super simple, just with the stamp, and added the line and some snow and just another sticker from the dollar store or for Dollarama. And I just wanted something quick and easy. I didn't want to spend all day making cards because it takes me forever just to make one card. So I made that one as well. Thought he was adorable. And then this one. And then the couple of them I have coming up I really like. So that's that one. And again, these are all stickers from Dollarama. That's that one. Super cute. I love that snowman. Isn't that adorable? So then I made this one. This is from a 6x6 pad. And then I had stickers from Dollarama as well that I just used. I'm pretty sure that was Dollarama. If not, it was the fabric store. Love that Christmas greetings on there. Turned out adorable. And then once I've done them, I see things that I could have changed, but that's okay. So then I just did the ornament line going down like that. Cozy and bright. So that was cute. This one I made myself. So I drew the mouse, and I saw these from Pinterest. So this is where I'm getting my idea from. These are not my creations whatsoever. So then I just did the little tree there on the side, and it just says it's the most cozy time of the year. And then the little mouse trying to put an ornament up on there, and I put some glitter on the bottom. It took a little bit for me to draw him, so pretty impressed with my little art there. And then this is my favorite. I think these are so adorable. I bought some buttons and I wanted to try and utilize some of the stuff that I had here. I made another one, but that's in with a pink scarf, and that one is being sent out. But these snowflakes are a little too big. This was the first one that I made, so this is where I actually started. And then I think, yeah, I have another mouse one here. So I have two of the mice, and then this one has the red ornament with the tree on the side, and that is just scratching green pen. That's all that is. So like that. Thought this one was really pretty. Love that one. So I'll let my mom pick her cards that she wants, and then I'll just use the others. I'm going to make some more, but just thought I would share with you my little project share of the Christmas cards that I made. And I have a few other things coming up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hope you like them. Bye.